All right, I'm gonna attempt to do a tutorial of how to upload a video to Edmodo. Let me turn my phone off, I'm sorry. All right, so what you are gonna do is you're gonna go into your OneDrive, all right? And you have your files. I already made a folder that says Edmodo. You could also just make one here, put new and say folder, so that you have all the stuff that you wanna upload to Edmodo all together. So in here I have another folder called Zoom live chats and live classes, and those are the 2 live classes that I have uploaded to the Edmodo file. And then I have fun stuff, which is other stuff that I have. This is just a video I made for fun with the kids. So today I'm gonna upload a lesson, a recorded lesson, a pre-recorded lesson for reading. I'm gonna start it with reading pre-recorded lessons. So I'm making a new folder because I'm going to be using that, and here it is. And now I'm going to upload from my computer that I already saved a video. So let's see right here. I made a video using the same app that I'm using right now, which is called Screenomatic. And I recorded myself just using a PowerPoint and then going through the PowerPoint and reading everything that I have for main topic, and then I had a short passage in there too that I read with them, and then I told them what to do for their assignment. And then, so I'm going to upload that, and you'll see right here that it's uploading. It's going to take a minute, so I'm going to pause this video and I'll come back when it's uploaded, so I'll show you what I did next. Alright, so it finished uploading, so now I have this here, and I'm going to click share link. And then this is going to come up, and I'm just going to put right here, copy link. So I have it copied, the link is copied. I'll just press here again just in case, okay? And then now I'm going to go into the class that I want to post it in, which is going to be my reading class, and I'm going to do a scheduled post for tomorrow for both classes. So I'm going to go into this reading class, and then I'm going to add the other reading class, which is called Reading PM. Okay, and then scroll down. I'm going to schedule it so that I don't forget that it's not for today. It's actually for tomorrow, and I'm going to schedule it for 11 a.m. Save date and time. And then I'm going to, how did I do this again? That was not it. Okay, I just realized that I made a mistake. So before I do this, I need to go into my library. My bad, I'm learning. And I'm going to go into lessons video. I made this folder. And I'm going to put new. And I'm going to put that I have a link. So I'm going to put the link here. And then I'm going to name it. I'm going to name it April 1st Reading Main Topic Lesson. Okay, then I'm going to put add link, and now it's here in this library of mine. Okay, so remember it's in lessons video, which I made this folder, and I added the link there. This is the one I did today for social studies, and this is the one I'm going to use for tomorrow. So now I'm going to go back to my classes, go back into reading, do the whole thing again. So I'm going to add my PM class because I want to post this. It's the same lesson. It's the same assignment for both. I have both classes selected. I'm going to schedule the post for tomorrow at 11 a.m. Save and date and time. And I'm going to say, hello, here is the lesson for today. Reading class about, and I'm going to do this in caps main topic. Then I'm going to click here from add from library. I'm going to go into the folder that says lesson videos, and I'm going to click my video. Okay, I don't know if I should just include that like that so they could just click a link. Click the link to see video. Sometimes you need to be a little direct with them. And then after this link, I'm going to put like this post when you watch, after you watch the video. So it says, hello, here is the lesson for today's reading class about main topic. Click the link to see the video. I put the link there, and I also included it from my libraries. I'm not sure which one works better. I feel like just adding extra might just help them. It's posted to both classes, and it is scheduled for, I hope it didn't go away. There it is. And it's scheduled for tomorrow, April 1st, 2020 at 11 a.m. And I'm going to click post. So it's scheduled, so it hasn't posted, so right here. So now it's ready to go. Now if I click scheduled post, can I see it? Yes, I can. So this is a link that's clickable. They could click it and it opens. And then there's also one like this. So I think it's the same. I'm not sure which one works, if one works better than the other or what, but that's the way that I did it today for social studies, and my students were able to see it. So I just want to make sure that it pops up. So
hi guys.
There it is.
Hi guys.
Oh, here I am twice. Okay.
Today we're going.
So that's all I wanted to share. Hopefully this is helpful for you, because this took me a long time to figure out and it was very stressful for me, and I just want to be able to help anybody who feels the same way, because we need to help each other out. Love ya. Bye.